Hello, this is Karen from California, and I recently attended the wonderful Rest and Restore retreat with Dr. Alicia Griffith. I must say it was an amazing time of rest, amazing time of reflection, and a great time for business chats there in beautiful Aruba. The accommodations were wonderful, the food was amazing, and Dr. Ali gave time and space to be able to have business chats that were very much needed as well as productive. I can say that I was able to create some initiatives and do a brief outline of my book that I want to write. And so I just want to say thank you. It was awesome. I encourage women, especially women of color, to attend one of her retreats, if not many. Until then, thank you, Dr. Ali. Appreciate you very much.